Hey, it's Sammy. On July 1st, we had rate cuts coming possibly in July, and the market reacted really beautifully today. We took YM Dow futures. We took, let's see here, 7 trades for 197 points. Now we're trading 5 contracts at $5 a point. So every point is worth $25 for $4,925 profit today. Let's take a look at these trades and see how everything played out. All right, this is our first trade. We're trading right after the new 8 o'clock bar. You can see the market is just incredibly compressed. We're coming off of VWAP, VPOC, a really tight value range. We've got this orange dashed line here. That's our GAN short sell. We got a pivot here. We've got a deviation one. There's a lot of stuff going on. We got some breakout data. These first trades after consolidation are going to be breakout trades. They're a little bit higher risk. We are going to accept that risk and use our data to safely enter. See, we have this little checkpoint right here. This is actually weekly VWAP. Let's see how this behaves. Notice that we just moved our stop loss into a break-even position in case we bounce off of this checkpoint back to the long side, because we are only working with short time frame data. Now we're pushing a new overnight low. So we're also hitting this yellow area right here, which is our deviation 2 band. We're going to trail this thing aggressively here and lock in 39 points. All right, now you can see all that high time frame data from that short down to deviation 2 went ahead and flipped back over. The market came back up to that pink line, which is VWAP. We're sitting at VPOC. We're actually long in this trade because the market pulled back and avoided the checkpoint. So we're going to try and go long here with just short time frame data. Of course, it turned into a break even. Now you can see that market did shop its way up a little bit. This is our signature soda reversal. We're coming off of value area high. That's a volume profile tool that we leverage in the program. When we have this reversal of this signature soda process, notice that we're working with short time frame data coming back through to the short side. Data is the game changer here. If you look at momentum, sentiment, and volatility, that's why our trades move fast. We know when we're just working with short time frame data, it's probably not going to move as far and as aggressively if we're working with a confluence of data. We've got that stop loss move to that break even now because we're kind of far away from our entry point. So let's see how far we can take this trade. Now we are going to exit the market here very quickly because we're coming up on 9:30 open. We're not quite there yet, so we're going to exit just prior if this thing punches through our checkpoint. Now it's going to blast down and hit that 50 Fibonacci level, and we're going to lock in 39 points manually. All right, look to the left. You see where we locked in that 39 points and we got out before the market opened. Now all the data flipped over. Look how fast this real-time market-generated data, no lagging, flipped over. We're able to get in this trade right here, coming through that green line up to that aqua line, which is deviation 2. Look at all that momentum, sentiment, 2 volatility breaks, and we lock in 34 points on this long right at the open. That data is why we're able to go ahead and get back in, because look at the market pulled back, tested value area high. Now we're going long again up through yesterday's close. Let's grab this trade here and see how it behaves. We had all that high time frame data locking in place already very aggressively. Got really good sentiment here, so this trade should follow through. Now, as we punch through this deviation 2 band, we're going to go ahead and lock in 28 points. The news is out that the Fed is possibly going to lower rates in July, and the market is responding incredibly favorably. We're going up here. That red line is resistance 1, and 123.6 Fibonacci right above it. So we're going to go ahead and take this for a ride up. Of course, this would have smashed our take profit, but we're really at this sensitive level here. We're going to lock in 28 points. Look over to the left. That market ran all the way up. We got out right around 123.6. It ran up to the 138.2 Fibonacci extension, and now we got our signature soda reversal in place. Look at that short time frame data roll over. Now this is happening right before the 10 o'clock red news, so we're going to lock our profit right before that event. As we're coming up on that event, we're going to go ahead and start trailing and eventually lock this trade with 26 points. If you're ready to remove the guesswork and gambling from your trading and get consistent profits, just click that link in the description below and see how the optimizer can help you.